Hey everybody, Brandon here coming to you today from Clemson Marina. Behind me is a Veranda VR22RC. That is a 22-foot Relax Edition Veranda tri-tune. One of the last ones we've got here for our spring allocation this year. Let me show you a little something about this boat. This one is coming in a great color combination, champagne panel with copper rails there. Those are copper rails on this boat. We have upgraded this one to the woven floor, tan seating in this particular one. Again, this is a 22-foot version. The biggest thing you're gaining the 22-footer over the 20-foot verandas is you get this rear-facing chase back here for rear-facing lounging going on. These boats are coming with a Garmin GPS fish finder, depth finder, RD, and dash. Co-captain's chairs are standard bimini on this. We have a 175 Yamaha VMAX SHO motor, stainless ski tow bar, and the ladder there on the back. This is a 13 capacity person boat. Plenty of space for your people. Lots of cup holders for everybody to have. Great color combination, great setup. The last 22-footer we're going to have here in our spring allocation. You interested in this boat? Check it out on our website. Give us a call or come see us down here at the marina.